Okay, good morning. We're out once again for a couple of hours. It's a bit windy, so I'm going to try and keep out the wind as much as I can today. I'm back on the farm again simply because the grass is really short here. The sheep have managed to keep it right down. Some of our missions, the grass is too long and it's undetectable, so we're back on here. I'm going to start again with the 9-inch coil. Gary's hot. And I might change up to 11 later on, see, all depends on the find. So it's only be a couple of hour hunt out with the dog and see what we can get. Okay, hopefully see you on the first find. And hopefully right, 2 minutes in and we've got a decent signal. So 83, 84. I've taken the lid off and I've pinpointed it, so let's have a look where it is. So let's see what that is. He's eager to see as well. It would be nice to start off with a nice coin or something decent. So, but as you know, my record of live digs isn't particularly great. So, here it is. That's a good start. Looks like bag seal to me. Excellent. Great start. Anyway, let's see what else we can find. I think we might have a first coin. I'm trying to keep the camera down because of the wind. So I've dug down, I've located the signal. I can see what I think is a coin, but I've not actually picked it up or cleaned it yet. So hopefully we can get this done, see what it is without the wind interfering too much. So here we go. Can't really see what it is. It's probably going to be a jewel. No, that looks like a Queen Victoria. Can't quite see the date on that. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll clean it up. I think it's a Vicky. Looks definitely like a Victoria. So anyway, I'll clean that up, and when I have a break and have a cup of tea, we can definitely identify what it is and pick the date out. So anyway, that's a great find. Brilliant. On to the next one. Right, I've just started me run again. I've been down to the end and back, found them few bits. Just got back to the start, not even a quarter of the way down. 63 signal. Don't know if you can see that. We have a spoon. Normal everyday spoon, but 63, 64 that was showing up on the day. It's on Gary's hot. So right, again I'm trying to keep the camera down because of the wind. So anyway, I've come down about another 20 yards. Nice confident signal again. We have another spoon. unfortunately not silver, but that's a different pattern to the last one. So I think if I find one more spoon, I might name this the spoon field. Anyway, let's carry on down this line. Right, this is really difficult. I've got another decent find here. It's just trying to not get into the wind, because I know I've done a video before and I've had to scrap it because you just can't hear anything. So anyway, it's just died down a bit, so there it is in the hole, and that looks a nice military bun. Okay, we've got a it's quite a shallow signal here, and it's another coin. That's only 2 or 3 inches deep. Very, very confident signal, and unlike the other coins that we found on this field, that is a very crusty one. Not sure we're going to get anything. Right, we've made it back to the van. I've poured myself a cup of tea, and I'm going to just show you the finds in the back of the van, because I don't know if you can hear it, but it's once the wind gets up, you won't hear a thing. So it makes for not a very enjoyable video. So there you go. We've got that lovely bottom. Coin. That is a Queen Victoria, and it's 1906, which is a nice find. Bag seal. Not sure if that's focusing properly, but nice bit of design on that. I'll have to have a look at that and see what that is. The 2 spoons, and that's all the rubbish. I've had a couple of signals that turned out a deep iron, so, and because of the wind situation, it's very hard to do completely live digs. So which I do enjoy doing them, even though I do find a lot of crap doing them. So that's quite good. I've only been going about an hour. I'll probably do another hour. Carry on up and down that line. I've dug a bit of rubbish since the last time I've done a bit of a roundup. I've wanted to do some live digs, but the wind, once it gets up, it's impossible, and it's not very enjoyable for me or for you. So anyway, I've got a signal here. It's in the 77, 78. I've dug down, and we've got another coin. So I've not picked it out yet, so I don't know what it is. It's quite small, so we'll see what it is together. And it looks like, hey, it's not a coin at all. I've done a pat at Magic Wands, thought it was a coin, and it was a bottom. Anyway, see what we mean about the wind. So anyway, I'll cut this short and carry on. Right, as you can see, we've had to just rush back to the car. Weather changed completely, wind and rain coming in. I hadn't even had a chance to do the roundup yet, so what I'll do is I'm going to get off home. I've just slung the stuff in the back, and what I'll do is I'll do the roundup indoors. Okay, see you then. Here we are back home, so I'll quickly do the roundup and make it short, sharp and sweet. So here we go. Couple of old spoons. There's some markings on that one. It's not silver, it might be silver plated at one time, but it's well gone by now. Just a normal everyday spoon. Queen Victoria penny. Date on that was 1906. So that was the only coin, or only decent coin of the day. Quite good condition, considering that coin was found on the same field, and that's just completely gone. Possibly a halfpenny, I should imagine, but that's completely gone, so I'm not going to get nothing off of that. That button now, I've had a look, and it's made by Furman and Sons, who make library buttons, etc., and I think that's a Royal Military button, so very pleased with that. Still got the shank on the back, and that's the that was the find of the day. So it's not a great well, find of the day, a find of the morning, so it's only a couple of hours. And of course I found, first find was the bag seal, which is the only bag seal I've actually found on that field, so probably on the old farm, so I'm very pleased with that one. Scrap, the normal everyday scrap. It's cartridge, shotgun cartridges, and just rubbish, mainly the rubbish I find on my live digs, as you've obviously seen. So anyway, I'm not going to go on. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you on the next hunt. Thank you very much. Bye.